Wise Philippines, what they don't tell you before you send and receive. So hey guys, on today's video, we'll be tackling about what they don't tell you before you send and receive in Wise. So first thing, some they don't know about if you're in the Philippines and you're gonna send money or receive money is that it is a transparent fee. So there's no hidden fees or whatnot, which is good for many Filipinos that are doing this transaction. Because me personally, I'm a Filipino and I've been using Wise for a long time, and it hasn't given me any hidden fees or whatnot. And the good thing about this, it has the mid-market exchange rate. So which means it doesn't have a markup, which means when you whatever price that you see on Google, for example US dollars to PHP, is the same with Wise. So, and the good thing about this, you can also see the exchange rate down below. So when we go down, so we're gonna go down. There you go. As you can see, there you go. There, as you can see right now, there you go. As you can see, the money, it's always like that. So as you can see, it has the mid-market change rate, which is good. And if you want to have your own Wise account, and if you don't have your own Wise account, you can download it on the description down below. Once you download the description down below, you can download it right there on our description down below. It will help the channel out. But yeah, anyways guys, there you go. Yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, guys, type it down below, guys. Hope to answer as soon as possible, and thank you guys.